Hello my viewers and welcome to a new Parkside unboxing video. Today I'm talking about the Parkside Preformance cordless Sabre saw 20 volt. It's the PSSAP 2028A1 and it's ready to connect with the smart battery. It has a brushless motor and it has been delivered without a battery, and the recommended battery is a 4 amp hour or an 8 amp hour battery. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Why I'm talking you through this video is because I need to take care of the warranty because something went wrong with this cordless Sabre saw. It has a multiple language, and of course your language will be there, which I'm showing you now. In this video I'm going to open up the box and test the machine on some metal and on some wood. Here are some specifications. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. And of course the Parkside Preformance. You expect it's the professional tool from Parkside, and it comes in a red and black box with the metal hinges. It's a strong, durable case. The reason why I'm talking you through this video is because something went wrong and I have to take care of the warranty, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. And in this video you're gonna see what went wrong. And I think I have to do this video in 2 parts. So I will take care of the warranty with Lidl shop, and then I will come back with a new video about this tool. It's been delivered with 2 types of saws, a metal saw and a wood saw. Setting 1 and setting 2 for the speed. The trigger with a trigger lock, the battery connection. And some specifications on the side, as you can see. And there is a release clip, so you can extend. And on the front is an LED light. There's a lock ring that you can turn to insert another saw. You just twist it and the saw will be in its place. Now we're taking it outside for testing. First I'm going to be cutting some metal, 2 millimeters. And in this video I'm using the 2 amp hour battery, which is not strong enough for this saw, so you definitely need a 4 amp hour or 8 amp hour battery. the battery is fully charged. These are the settings, setting 1 and 2. These are the speeds. As you can see, the material is coming loose from the workbench. So the metal cutting worked fine. Now we're gonna test it on some wood. First I will cut some 4 by 4 centimeters wood. And this is a 15 by 4 centimeters piece of wood. As you can see, it's a plastic workbench and the wood easily will come loose. And here it happened. So it got stuck 2 times and then that was it. So we're back inside now. I talked you through the beginning of this video and yeah, it's completely stuck. I'm not sure I can show you. I don't know what happened, but when I attach the battery, the light will go on immediately. Well, that's not correct. And when I pull the trigger, it doesn't work. The battery is fully charged again. And I did smack it. And I did try to move it, but it just didn't help. So I sent out a message to the lidle shop and I'm awaiting their reply now. And see if they're gonna send me a new one, and then we're gonna test it over and over again. And of course we do a stronger test then, because I really want to know if this is a good machine, yes or no. Of course it can happen that the machine don't work or get stuck, but so quick, it's not good. So I will show you in part 2 how the warranty worked and if I got a new one, and then we do another test. Thanks for watching now. I hope to see you in next video, and bye for now.